Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the basics of list and Python. Lists are one of the most used and flexible data structures in Python programming. So, what is a list? A list is an ordered collection of items. It means the order of elements matters. This can also have duplicate values, and the best part is that they are mutable. So, we can change them anytime, and we define a list using square brackets. Creating a list. To create a list, we use square brackets and add items inside. For example, a list of fruits or numbers or even a mix of data types like strings, numbers, and booleans. All are allowed in this Python list. Accessing list elements. We can access list elements using index numbers. Remember, indexing in Python starts from 0. So fruits here gives the first item, and we can also use negative indexing to get elements from the end. Modifying list elements. Since lists are mutable, we can change any value using the index. For example, if we want to change the second fruit, we write fruit and in square brackets we write 1 and which is equals to orange. List methods. So Python gives us useful built-in methods to work with lists. We can add items using append, remove items using remove, and sort them using sort. Looping through a list. To go through all items in a list, we use a for loop. For example, we can print each fruit in the list using for fruit in fruits. List slicing. Slicing is used when we want to get a portion of a list. We use a start and end index. For example, fruits in square brackets 1 colon 3 will give items from index 1 to 2. If we skip the start or end, Python will take it from the beginning or till the end automatically. Nested list. A list can also have other lists inside it. These are called nested lists. It's useful when we are working with 2D data like matrix or tables. Coming to the conclusion, so that was a quick and simple introduction to list in Python. Lists are super useful and appear in almost every Python program. With practice, you'll able to use them confidently in your own projects. Thank you.